Are you a beginner looking to kickstart your weight loss journey? Wondering which exercises are the most effective for shedding those extra pounds? The desire to shed the extra pounds and achieve a healthier body is often accompanied by a quest to find effective exercises that will deliver results. Fortunately, there are numerous exercises tailored specifically for beginners that can kickstart your weight loss journey and set you on the path to success. In today's video, we will explore 10 effective weight loss exercises for beginners. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for more interesting videos like this. So let's get straight into the video. Number 10. Zumba. Zumba is a fun and energetic interval training exercise that combines dance moves with fitness elements. It involves alternating between high-intensity and low-intensity dancing steps, designed to raise the heart rate and improve cardiovascular endurance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced dancer, Zumba can be adapted to suit your fitness level. However, if you have been inactive, have any medical conditions, or take medications, it's important to consult with your doctor before starting a Zumba class. Individuals with knee or back issues or arthritis should avoid high-impact exercises. Number 9. High-intensity interval training. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is a highly effective exercise method for weight loss that can be done at home without any equipment. It involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by periods of rest or lower intensity activity. HIIT is known for its calorie burning and metabolism boosting effects, making it an efficient way to increase fat burning. However, it's essential to consider certain factors before starting HIIT. Individuals who are injured, pregnant, unwell, or within the first 3 to 6 months postpartum should avoid HIIT. Additionally, those with specific medical conditions may not be suitable for this type of exercise. Number 8. Going for a walk. Walking is a simple yet highly effective workout for burning fat and improving overall fitness. It is an excellent choice, especially for beginners, as it requires no special equipment and can be easily incorporated into daily routines. You can enhance the effectiveness of walking by gradually increasing the duration of your walks and incorporating additional activities such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator or going for a walk during your lunch breaks. Whether you're aiming for weight loss or just want to stay active, walking is a great option for people of all fitness levels. Number 7. Lifting weights. Weightlifting is a highly valuable exercise option for individuals seeking weight loss. When you engage in weight exercises, you not only build strength and muscle, but also increase your resting metabolic rate, RNR, which is the number of calories your body burns at rest. According to Harvard Health, a person weighing 70 kilograms can burn approximately 112 calories in just 30 minutes of weight training. What's even more impressive is that weightlifting can have a lasting impact on calorie burning. Studies have shown that the elevated metabolic rate after weight exercise can last up to 38 hours, resulting in continued calorie burning long after your workout session ends. By incorporating weightlifting into your fitness routine, you can experience multiple benefits for weight loss. Not only does it help boost your metabolism, but it also increases lean muscle mass. Number 6. Doing yoga. Yoga is a versatile workout that combines physical exercise and meditation. It offers numerous benefits beyond weight loss, such as cultivating mindfulness and reducing stress. By incorporating regular yoga sessions into your routine, along with a balanced diet and other exercises, you can achieve significant weight loss and reduced body mass indexes, BMIs. Practices like Ashtanga and Vinyasa yoga are particularly effective in burning calories. Yoga can be practiced in the comfort of your own home or in fitness centers under the guidance of professional instructors. Number 5. Going for a run. Jogging or running is an incredibly effective exercise for weight loss. Regularly engaging in jogging can help you shed excess weight, particularly visceral fat, which is associated with various chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. To start, aim for 20 to 30 minutes of jogging or running, gradually increasing the duration over time to achieve optimal results. If you experience knee pain, consider running on flat surfaces like grass, which can help alleviate the impact on your joints. Beyond burning calories, jogging also improves cardiovascular health, making it a valuable addition to your fitness routine. With its simplicity and accessibility, jogging can easily be incorporated into your daily schedule, promoting weight loss and enhancing overall well-being. Number 4. Going for a swim. Swimming is an excellent exercise for weight loss. A 70 kilograms individual can burn approximately 233 calories in 30 minutes of swimming, according to Harvard Health. Different swimming techniques offer varying weight loss benefits. For example, the backstroke can burn 289 calories, while 30 minutes of butterfly and breaststroke can help you burn 372 and 409 calories, respectively. Swimming not only burns calories, but also tones the body and relaxes muscles in major groups such as arms, legs, glutes, and hips. It is a low-impact exercise, making it suitable for individuals with joint issues or injuries. Number 3. Jumping rope. Jumping rope, often overlooked as a weight loss exercise, is actually a highly effective workout. In just 30 minutes of jumping rope, a person weighing 72 kilograms can burn an impressive 318 calories. This activity engages muscles throughout the body, including the arms, shoulders, and core, while providing a challenging cardiovascular workout. Jumping rope not only helps burn calories, but it also improves cardiovascular health, tones the body, and enhances coordination. It is a versatile exercise that can be done virtually anywhere and doesn't require much equipment. Whether you're seeking a high-intensity workout or a fun way to burn calories, jumping rope is an excellent choice for weight loss and overall fitness. By incorporating jumping rope into your routine, you'll experience the benefits of improved endurance, increased calorie burn, and strengthened muscles. So grab a jump rope, find a suitable space, and get ready to jump your way to a healthier, fitter you. Number 2. Pilates workout. Pilates is a beginner-friendly indoor workout that offers numerous benefits beyond weight loss. Research by the American Council on Exercise suggests that a 30-minute Pilates class can burn around 138 calories for a person weighing 64 kilograms. Opting for an advanced class can increase the calorie burn to approximately 168 calories. Pilates can provide relief from lower back discomfort, improve strength, enhance balance, and contribute to overall fitness. It focuses on core strength, flexibility, and controlled movements, making it a popular choice for individuals seeking a low-impact workout that targets multiple muscle groups. Number 1. Cycling. Cycling is an excellent exercise for weight loss due to its customizable nature and low-impact nature. In addition to aiding in weight loss, cycling helps strengthen the knees and hamstrings. High-intensity cycling can effectively reduce body fat, promote weight loss, and increase metabolism. Moreover, cycling contributes to muscle development, leading to higher calorie expenditure even during periods of rest. It provides a full-body workout, engaging various muscle groups including the legs, core, and arms. Cycling can be adapted to different fitness levels and goals, making it suitable for beginners and experienced individuals alike. Whether cycling outdoors or using stationary bikes indoors, this activity offers a fun and effective way to burn calories, shed excess weight, and improve overall fitness levels. That's all for this video. We hope it has inspired you to take action and kickstart your weight loss journey with these effective exercises for beginners. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon for more interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching our video.